Hello guys, this is Amphyfx here. So today I'm going to be talking about one of the best strategies for you to trade as a beginner. So basically, I'm going to I'm going to simplify it for you guys so that even if you're a total beginner, you can be able to trade the financial market confidently. So let me do a quick breakdown on how the market moves. The market moves in waves. So we have higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, and then higher highs. That's for an uptrend, right? What was market doing? Market is what? Breaking structure to the upside. Breaking structure to the upside. Break of structure. Break of structure. That's for uptrend. So there's something I want you to look for. When a market break structure to the upside, market will always come back towards the origin or the other block that give rise towards that break of structure. When there is a break of structure, there's going to be an origin or an other block that give rise towards the break of structure. So market will come back to it, then break structure again to the upside. Then after that, same like this one, you can see this one have already broken structure. What do you do again? Then market look for the origin that give rise to this same break of structure. Market will come back to it, and then break structure again to the upside. And then again, after this break of structure, look for the origin that give rise to that break of structure. Market will come back to it, and then break structure continuously. And that's how the market moves. The market moves in waves, and if it's in a downtrend, that's how it works. Market will be breaking structure to the downside, break of structure, return back to the origin that gave rise to that break of structure, break structure again, return to the origin that gave rise to that break of structure, break structure again, return to the origin that gave rise to that break of structure. So that's how the market moves. Market do not move in a straight line. You cannot see market move like this. No. Market moves in waves or in fractals. That's what we call it. As a trader, market moves in fractals. So you basically see the market moving like this: higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher lows, breaking structure to the upside. And that's uptrend. And for the downtrend, like I just explained, and if the market is not going up, it's either the market is ranging. So in a ranging market, what do you do? This strategy does not work in a ranging market. In a ranging market, you stay out of the market because the strategy does not work in a ranging market. So I'm going to show you examples on the chart on how this strategy works. Now let me do it quick. So basically, when you see market making waves or series of higher highs, higher lows, higher high, higher lows, what do? Just look for a break of structure. Let's say this is a higher high. So market broke structure, and then if you look down, we have another block. To know what another block is, you can go through my videos. I think I've already made a video on what other blocks are, or your PDRAs, what they are. You can look for the video, search for it from my video catalog, and you can find it. So when there is a break of structure, you look for the origin that gave rise to that break of structure. And if you observe this is another block, right? This is another block. Then wait for market to come back to that other block or the origin that gave rise to that break of structure. Then you set your entry, and then target the recent high of that structure again. You can see target the recent high. And what do you see? This is a win. Another thing again, this is a break of structure also. Break of structure. This is the origin that gave rise to that break of structure. Mark it out. And what do you see? Basically, that's how market moves. You can see, set your entry, just then set your stop loss just few pips below the other block, and then target the recent high of that structure. You can see this is a win. We have a break of structure here too. Break of structure. Then this is the origin that gave rise to that break of structure. Now I'm not going to mark out everything from this. This is so long, so I'll just mark the week top. You can use the week top, it's okay. You can see market came back to it. Then you can set your entry just few here. set stop loss just few pips below it, then we'll target the high of the structure. That's what 1:3, 1:2, 1:2, 1:3. That's what 9. That's 1:9. Just in one day or in 1 week, it's possible. So, and that's basically how the market moves. Market moves in fractals, and when you are seeing a break of structure, always look for the origin that give rise to that break of structure. Look for that origin, mark it out, set your entry, and then set your stop loss just few pips below it, and target the high of that structure. Then you target the point of reversal of that structure. So guys, it is Amphyfx here, and if you learned something from this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and join my free WhatsApp group where I drop more trading insight like this. You can see the link in the description. So guys, see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Peace out.